Hey, what's going on YouTube? Hacker007 here. Now, this is a quick video about the TikTok ban that has been imposed on the application for the United States region. And I'm actually here on YouTube where I see these individuals informing you of ways you can use TikTok after the app has been banned. Now, let me tell you this. I am an advocate for VPNs and I usually promote content supporting VPNs. Um, it is not possible. Now, the reason why I say it's not possible is because this application right here, it has a section. If you go to settings and privacy, account, and then if you go to account information here, where we have region, account region, you'll see that mine has been set to Jamaica. However, if it was previously set to the United States of America, you would definitely not have access to open TikTok or even use it remotely. Now, the best solution that I would advise you is for you to create a new account. And whenever you're creating that account, you need to set the region to a region outside of the United States, for example. And one of these regions can work, and then you'd have to go again from scratch. So it's that simple. You'd have to create it in a new region. If you already have an account that was created in the United States, then it's not possible. I'm going to actually connect a VPN here, and I'm going to set it to Singapore. And remember, Singapore is a very crucial country as it relates to TikTok. And then I'm going to go back to TikTok, and if I should actually try and log into the account that I'm not even from the US. However, I believed I may have changed my region back in the past and not even notice. So that is why I'm unable to access with my main account. So I'd have to use one of these dummy accounts, which, as you can see, doesn't have many followers. So if I should quickly continue, well, let me not continue, let me log in. And if we should continue with Google, if I should select that account, it will tell me that it's not available in my particular region. So as you can see, feature is currently not available in your country or region. So the videos on YouTube who are telling you that it is possible to switch, it is possible to still use TikTok. Now, I've actually tried using it on the browser as well. Where is it? Let me disconnect. So I've actually tried doing it over here, and as you can see, sorry, TikTok isn't available right now. So you could download your data, of course. However, that's as much as you can get from TikTok at this point. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. It is not possible to use a VPN to access TikTok after it has been banned, or it has been temporarily banned, because we all know that this ban will be lifted as soon as Donald Trump gets in office and make the necessary changes or request for an extension at least. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. However, don't be fooled by trying to use a VPN to connect back to TikTok. It's not about the country which you are currently in, but the one that your account was set to while you created the account. So if you have another way you can change your region without logging into TikTok, please do so. In the meantime, enjoy Red Note, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hacker007 here.